I am Céline A, Master in Management Program Director at Cage Business School. Our Master in Management is a 3-year program designed to train future leaders grounded in action, capable of thinking outside the box to offer innovative and inclusive solutions. To achieve this goal, the program has implemented a pedagogy called Grow by Doing, based on 2 main principles: learning to think differently and engaging in impactful, concrete actions. Cage's Master in Management Grow by Doing educational approach is designed to enhance your employability. That's why each course will enable you to develop a skill you can apply in your future career. You will also be encouraged to think differently through inspiring and reflective experiences during your studies. We look forward to meeting you on one of our campuses. I wish you every success in your entrance exam, and give your best.